James ready ng pakasal kay Isa. Handa na raw mag-settle down ang aktor at singer na si James Reid. Sa age na 31 ay nagbabago na raw kasi ang priorities niya sa buhay. Nabanggit niya soon ay pwede na siyang mag-asawa. I feel it. I definitely feel it. Priorities are changing. It's really trying to see my music through, trying to see my career through, really just doing things the right way. And maybe settling down soon, saad ni James sa ulat ng ABS-CBN. Tila nagulat naman sa kanyang sinabi si Reid. I should have not said that. Never mind. Sambit niya sa TV reporter na si MJ Felipe. Nang tanungin naman kung ready na ba siyang dalhin sa next level ang relasyon ni Issa Pressman, ani James, I think so. I think I learned a lot from my 20s and hopefully we all do. Tuldok.